So we're having a look at the ESR MagSafe case. Now doing this for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, as you can see here. Now the great thing with this is it's a two-part rugged MagSafe case with a stash stand built in. It's also got tempered glass screen protector and individual lens protectors as well. So let's take a look and open it up now and see what comes in the actual box. Now this has got great reviews online too, which is great. And as you can see, it's got the two screens here that you can open up. So these are the glass protectors that protect them from any kind of breaking at all. So it gives a 360-degree protection. So it just takes a minute to get that off there. Just peel it off. And there you've got also the different accessories as well. So you've got the lens cover. You've got the guarantee as well. They say there's a 12-month guarantee in these. And you've got the fully adjustable stand as well. Now, instruction guides are quite good, actually. As you can see there, so I'll get my phone out and I'll grab the wipes to be able to clean the screen. So I'm going to make sure that they look quite nice. The last thing I'm going to be doing is putting it on there and having it not work very well. Now, I got this screen because I got the Apple screen and it cracked straight away, would you believe? I got lens protectors too, and it didn't work. So there you go. I've cleaned the lens protector off. Then you need to get a bit of a dry as well. Now, it's important to have these lens covers covered as well because you want to make sure that they don't get scratched when you're using them, which is very, very important. So here's the lens cover here. And the great thing about this is it just squeezes straight onto it. So you put on there just like this, as you can say. You apply a little bit of pressure onto it as well to make sure it sits on there. So I'm going to do that right now. And yeah, just apply a bit of pressure. Give that a minute and it'll start to work as well. So there you go. Got to get the right way around. So there you go. So that's been applied. Now it's going to protect the lenses from being used. Again, sorry, it didn't come off that time. Put it back on again. And there we are, came off. So there the lens are being protected on the phone, which is great. Give it a bit of a clean as well, make sure it fits perfectly. Now, the thing is with this as well, they reckon it's a shock absorbing case as well. So if you were to drop them, it could be good. I didn't actually have my iPhone insurance, would you believe, which is a bit of annoying. They reckon you can also get magnets with this as well if you want. So just give it a clean before we put on the mag case as well. So I'm going to go and grab that just now. So the mag case again, it's two-layered. It helps protect it. So quite simple. You peel off the case like that, apply it onto the phone. Again, it just locks into place, which is really good. This is good because it's quite hard sometimes to apply glass protectors. So this does it all for you. Nice and easy. Look at that. You can scroll through it. Fantastic. Now we're going to get the back part as well. So I'll put that on. Now, guys, this has been an excellent case. I've been using it since I did this review and put it together. And I actually dropped the phone once and it did survive as well. So it's very, very good. They say it can shock absorb due to the corners and a dual ledge on it. I think it's very, very good. And it's very affordable as well to buy this on Amazon. So if you want to purchase this on Amazon, there's links below. But this is a fantastic case. Only cost me about 25 bucks. It was so cheap. And I recommend you guys get them. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this review.